Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a subtask template in ClickUp. So first of all, go to ClickUp and then what you need to do first is create a subtask. So choose a task first and then click on the plus icon beside it and then just name your subtask 1 and then click on save. After that, click on subtask and you can edit this subtask to match the template that you want to create. So after that, just click on X here, then just click on the three dots beside the subtask. Now click on templates and then you just need to click on save as template. Now type in the template name whatever you want. After that, you can also add the description tags and you can also share it with others. You can also enable public sharing if you want, and you also have this import option here. So after that, just click on this save template and then you are good to go. So that's how to create a subtask template in ClickUp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.